I'm with ClearEdge Partners, and our core mission is helping clients make great IT investments. The pace for transformation is at a record pace and all-time high, and where we're seeing clients continually invest more heavily is in consumption-based models, yet the friction point that comes out all the time is taking the traditional CapEx-based approach towards buying cloud. And there's a lot of fundamental differences between the two, and there's a lot of friction and disconnects and a lot of waste that is being created as a result of that. ClearEdge chose to work with and partner with Densify because I think we share a common purpose, which is passion for optimizing, passion for helping clients get more value out of their investments, and specifically a common purpose around how to optimize cloud investments. And we routinely see there's two very tragic flaws that clients interact with on a daily basis with cloud. One is they don't know necessarily what to buy, and then once they've actually bought it, they don't know how to optimize it. The storyboard that resonated a lot for us was people bring CapEx processes to an OpEx world and fail miserably. Well, what's one of the things they do? They don't have good data. Engaging with Densify is a necessary ingredient of instrumentation, of intelligence that is pretty unique in the marketplace. Few companies are equipped with the insights and the information that the Densify solution brings to the table. And Densify's solution provides the data and intelligence to make fact-based, smarter buying and consumption decisions in that spirit of progressive optimization. One of the benefits that we see in Densify's technology, as well as the broader space of optimization, is there is up to 50 to 70% waste from the point of buying public cloud to running public cloud. And the fundamental gap that happens from that is what is bought in bulk up front, the warehouse buy at a great price, if you will, becomes excess, if not waste, capacity. Densify's approach to optimization is a fact-based, neutral set of information to surface up to help clients get better and continuously improve as everybody gets better, the whole industry gets better at buying and operating in the cloud.